Alrighty, hey guys, it's Manny here. Alrighty, so I'm going to be doing the first review. So that was the camera that tilted a little. So the review that I'm doing is on Clinique. It's this moisturizing. You guys can see it a little. Oh, my camera keeps tilting. Okay, all right. So this is it. It's supposed to help control oils. My skin type is a little bit mixture of oily and dry, but it's more a little bit of kind of on the dry side, but yet oily. I don't know. It's a combination of both. So this is what I started using. I'm doing this review from 4 days, about 4 days of using the product. And with it comes like this cartridge, and it's this one right here. I don't know if you guys could see it. I don't know how to. I always see people do this, but anyways, so this is it. And I got this one because it's supposed to help tone out your skin tone from, like, example, scar acne, or any like blemishes, whatever it is. So that's what I got. So this is how the bottle looks like. There you go. And let me open it up so you guys can see the cartridge. Okay, so it looks like that. Like it's this thick thing that you just insert in there, and that's pretty much it. So the results, honestly, you guys, I didn't really like the product. I didn't. Within the second day of using it, I noticed that my skin was getting too dry, like a little too much on the dry side. And this product is supposed to help moisturize and help clear your like acne scarring or dark spots or anything like that. So I didn't really like it. It left my skin more of a dry moisture texture. It's kind of hard to explain, but I just didn't like it, honestly. I wish it could have left it more more on the moisturizing kind of like texture feeling a little bit, but it left like a dry feel to it, and I did not like it. So that's the review on these. Obviously there's different types of cartridges, and let me show you really fast here. There you go. So there's blue, there's white, orange, and purple, but I didn't like it. And obviously I'm using a new product, and I will be sharing that with you guys really soon, so stay tuned. And if you haven't done so, give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribe to my channel. I will have all my other social media links down below, so you guys could go ahead and add me and be updated. Alrighty guys, take care. Bye.